I'm fine, dear. How are you? How are all of you? Fine. You cannot see me. Why, dear? Let me check. Here it is no problem from our side. Okay, all of you, please. Who cannot see me? Mohian, you cannot see me, then cut the call and then rejoin. Okay. All of you, switch off your camera and mute your microphones. Okay. All of you, switch off your camera. What I am saying again and again. From our side here it is no problem. You can cut the call. Bithika, you can cut the call and then rejoin. Okay. Okay. You cut. Okay. Now let's start. Today I will be taking your English text, and the chapter I will be taking today, that is a kite. That's what I have read in your offline class, and today I will read it once again, then do some spellings together. Okay. Let's read the poem once again. This is a very short poem. You will remember it. Okay. I often sit and wish that I could be a kite up in the sky. Here in the picture we can see a child is thinking that if he was a kite and ride upon the breeze and go whichever way I chanced to blow. And he was thinking that if he was a kite, then he can ride upon the breeze and go whichever way the child chanced to blow. Okay, this poem is a very short one. You will remember it. Okay. Now let's do some spellings. All of you open page number 77. Spellings. Take out your copy and write it down. Number 1, that is wish. W-I-S-H, wish. Number 2, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Number 3, sky. Number 4, breeze. Number 5, blow. These 5 spellings you will practice. All of you write it down in your copy. Number 1, wish. W-I-S-H, wish. Number 2, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Number 3, sky. S-K-Y, sky. Number 4, breeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. And number 5, blow. B-L-O-W, blow. Okay? All of you have done? Can I proceed towards the exercises? Okay, so will I erase the board? Then I will do the exercises. All of you done? Let me know. Okay, Minhazuddin, write it down carefully. Number 1, wish. Number 2, kite. Number 3, sky. Number 4, breeze. And number 5, blow. Okay. Okay, so I'm erasing now. Now turn to page number 78. You can see the reading is fun part over there. There are two questions. Let's do the two questions now. Number 1, what does the child wish to be? What does the child wish to be? Can you tell me the answer? The child wishes to be a kite, isn't it? The child wishes to be a kite. Yeah. Number 2. What does the child wish to do? Wish to do with the breeze. What does the child wish to do with the breeze? Yeah, we can write it like the child wishes to ride upon the breeze. The child wishes to ride upon the breeze. The child wishes to ride upon the breeze and go whichever way whichever way the child was chanced to. The child was chanced to. The child was chanced to blow by the breeze. Blow by the breeze. Mute your microphones. Who has unmuted? Okay, write it down these two questions very carefully without making any mistake. Number 2, what does the child wish to do with the breeze? The child wishes to ride upon the breeze and go whichever way the child was whichever way the child was chanced to blow by the breeze. Okay, write it down very carefully. And you can see in the let's talk part there are also two questions. These two questions, the answers you will write according to your own. Okay, number 1, what would you like to be? This whatever you want to be, you can write it. Okay, and number 2, imagine you are a bird in the sky. Describe what you will feel when you see a kite flying near you. This is what this feeling also you will write according to your own thought. Okay, so these two questions, what would you like to be? This one you will think and write. And number 2, imagine you are a bird in the sky. Describe what you will feel when you see a kite flying near you. You will also write it according to your own thought. Okay. Now come to the say aloud part. There are some words you can see over there, and they are also told to write some of the rhyming words related to these words. Let's discuss these. No, Rishan, what about no you are saying? No means About what? No. I'm just discussing these parts, okay? So the words are here. Last line, yeah, write it. I'm not erasing it now. I'm just discussing the other exercises from here, okay? First word here from is bright. So the rhyming word can be bright. We can write it like hide, isn't it? If you find any other words like this, you can write it also. I'm just saying hide. You will write any other words if you like to, okay? Then the word is kite. We can write it like bite. We can write it. Then the word ride, R-I-D-E, ride. So the rhyming word can be bide, B-I-D-E, bide. Kite, light, yes, Kaustubh. Light also will be correct. Ride, side, yes, side will also be correct, okay? Then the word is side. Side we can write died, okay? Then the word is sky. Sky, the rhyming word can be cry. We can write it. Then the word is cart. Cart, yes, height also will be correct. I'm just saying these words according to my own thought. If you find any other words related to rhyming to these, you will write it. Then the word cart. Cart, we can write it dart. Okay. Chance. Chance, we can write the rhyming word is France. We can write. Then the word is dance. Dance, we can write glance. Yes, part, shirt. We can also write it. Dance, we can write glance. Then the word fast. Fast, we can write it like the rhyming word can be cast. We can write. Then the word is part. Part, the rhyming word can be heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. We can write. Okay. So these are the certain rhyming words that I have told to you. If you find any other rhyming word, you may write it. Okay. Not even completed, all of you. For how much time I have to give you? Zareen, print out the rainbow. I haven't told you how you will do that. You just do the project in your scrapbook. Then I will tell you how to you will submit to me. Okay, later I will tell you. Just complete this within this December. Okay, then I will tell you how to submit the projects to me. Later, in later classes. Okay, now you have completed. Will I erase now? Because I will write one question from the let's share part. That is the number 1. What are the different things that fly in the sky? That's what I will write. So I need to erase the board for that. Key page a project banano. In a scrapbook you can do the project. Okay. Or if you don't have any kind of a scrapbook, you can make it on art paper. If you don't have, okay, if you don't have, then you can make it on an art paper. Okay, no problem. In any paper you can make, but I have told you to. Okay, now I will erase now, because what are the different things that fly in the sky, I will write it now. Can you tell me the answer? What are the different things that fly in the sky? Bithika, no, there is no mention about the size. You will write, you will draw, you will write what you will do, the big things you will do, no, na? But a kind of a things that are short, good, nice, will look good, that kind of a you can make. Okay, so I am erasing now. Now let's look at the let's share part. That the first question, what are the different things that fly in the sky? Can you tell me? Scrapbook, how many pages? How many pages do you need to draw a rainbow? Only one page will be enough. Okay. Now let's answer this question, that what are the different things that fly in the sky? We can write it birds. Tell me. We can write it birds, aeroplanes, bats, helicopters, or any other things. I have written just these four: birds, aeroplanes, bats, helicopters. I have kite. Yes, you can write it. Kite, balloons. That's what also you can write it. Clouds. Yes. Birds. Yes. So some of the things, find more other things rather than this. You can write it also. Okay. Now, and the second question, if you had wings, where would you fly? This question also you will think according to your own. Okay. This is what you will also do by your own. Now come to the page number 79. You can see there is a picture, two pictures over there. That is two pictures, a day sky and night sky. That's two skies you will draw. This could be your homework. That's what you can do at your home. That you will draw a day sky and night sky. How it looks, you will draw in your book. Okay. And at the bottom of this, there are some fill in the blanks. You can see the pictures. You can tell me what are the pictures. First picture is of what? Sun, isn't it? Yellow color. First picture is of sun. Then the second one, that is colorful one, that is rainbow, isn't it? Yeah. The third one, the white color, the nose, that is moon. Moon. The fourth one, the stars, yellow stars, that are of stars. And the next one, the last one is of cloud. Okay. So these are the picture. First one is sun, then the second one is rainbow, third one is moon, fourth one stars, and the fifth one is cloud. Okay. So done, all of you. Now I will take your present. All of you write P or present in the chat box. You have written also, Zareen. Very good. Now I will take your present. All of you write P or present in the chat box. No one will leave the class until I leave the class. Otherwise you will be absent. Okay. Okay, I have taken all of your present. Okay, and the time is up also. The chapter I have completed, a kite. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. All of you, bye.